Hello! Mag-vlog kami daw. Dito kami sa daanan na papunta sa ano ba yun?
Along-loban na kami.
Kaya along-loban na kami. Papunta kami sa camping.
Nakaragrag sa Tipuso mi, apo. Noong kami gaya camping. Lalo na sa akin kasi bihira lang makalabas sa lungga. So, abangan nyo kami hanggang sa muli. Kasi on the way pala kami. Bye-bye! Hello gagayem kan kakabsat. Ada kami dito yan. 2:30. Gutom na ang aming driver. Grabing kainan niya. May nangyari sa likod namin.
Hindi mo yan.
It's a surprise. Okay, bye-bye. Papasok muna kami. Nandito kami sa entrance.
Tapos paglalabas na po sa exit.
Okay, bye-bye.
NBW 797. Just 979.
And that's 2022. And how would you like to pay?
Visa.
So thank you. And you know where you're going in the park?
Say hello. Say hello. Hello.
Oh, yung video mo.
Yeah. Hello, Papa. Hey, look, I'm recording. You're recording? Yeah, I'm going to do this to my dad now. Daddy, say hi. Say hi. Okay, here you go. It's your turn. Say hi. Hi.
Come here. Let's change something.
Okay.
Run.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say hi,
Hi, I guess.
bro. Freak. Freak.
Yeah. Who wants to try this?
Hey, not me.
You. Okay, sure.
Do.
Can I try? I want to hold it, honestly. What? What's the scene?
After that, you have to give it to Irish's mom.
Alright. Here, look.
Yummy! Can I give it? Oh my god, so cute! I put it on the floor! Oh, do it! Can I get it here? Free?
Talagang pang-ulan ito. Hindi.
Wala nang kawalayan dito.
Chicken adobo, tapos yun sinigang. Bahala na. Ito, Ito din mo.
Kutsara lang din yata.
Like that.
Wake up, the sun is shining. A brand new day, it's so inviting. Embrace the beauty all around in this peaceful morning. Let's be found, let's cherish the quiet and calm. Find serenity in nature's song. The morning brings us tranquility. Grateful for every blessing we see. Smile in the morning light. Feel the joy, it's pure delight. Embrace the peace, let it fill your soul. Gratitude for every wonderful.
She's scared.
Where's the baby?
Billy, do this. Hop, say hop.
Whenever you don't need to learn.
It's like a tree that got caught. Wait a minute. Wait.
Sunday, starting at 9:30 in the evening. And on a clear night, they'll open that building with the silver roof, and there's a giant telescope.
Ang na pala namin.
Oh, akin na lang. Ibang ganun ko na.
Right on this, pinalimitin ko si Kuya.
Awa naman po kayo na dito kami po sa gitna ng kabundukan.
It's
Ate mo naman ako. Nagbayagon.
Prenup lang ito, Sentin.
I love you, Tudu. Wala. Ito na pala natin.
Tuway-tuway sa mga nabalit na budol. Smile! Ano po masasabi mo, madam?
Kulang niya. Isubli dati, tatlong mga ibayan. Nagsakit dati senior citizen itong tani. Oh. Made. Made. Nabudol kami kakabsat.
Kayo po, ano po masasabi niyo?
Ang masabi ko lang, madam, balik yung...
I think I like when it rains. You told me to go to the light. And what it's like to feel your pain. Now I'm okay if you're alright. I start to wonder I can't.
Yan, lapit ng kumulo. Wow. Ito po ang mga nabasa sa ulan. Pagkatapos magpabasa sa ulan.
Tilapia galam.
Ayaw mo dito tilapia.
Hello, Wen. Nag-camping kami. Kaya lang, ang lakas-lakas ng ulan. Kaya nandito kami sa loob ng tent. Busog
Kasama yung
naman na kami.
airbed natin sa loob natin. Dalawa. May first floor, second floor. First floor.
O, si Nikia. Oy, Nikia. Oy, Nikia.
Kumain na siya masuplada na.
Oy.
Kaya,
Ano, hindi na naggalaw, oh. Oy. Busog si Nikia, kaya ayan.
Ay, pakilala mo yung bed mo.
Eh,
First floor, second floor.
meron kaming first floor, may second floor, ang third floor kisame. Ako, ang lakas-lakas ng ulan, anak.
narinig ba yung ulan?
Ha?
Yung nandito si
Sige.
Jaime, naku, tuwang-tuwa dito magtalbogan lahat. Ano tinangyari ka na tayo? Antay yung nga makarwaran, kanya-kanyang kulungan. Nay, no.
Ay, nagagalit sa atin yung ulan, no?
Itayag na pa yung
Ayaw
bubulat.
pala ganun yung...
What happened to your face? Awa ka nung to. Pili tayo agad.
Kakabsat Ken Gagayen. Nalpasin ti pinagcamping min naka 2 nights, 2 days tayo ba na? Ay pang 3 days pa lang. Yung nasapa kami nga rin mga gapo kasaan kami nga nakapasya. Adi kalman ta nagtudo. Tinubrami happy tummy.
Ito yung rainbow, tita. Anong sabi mo?
Ngayon, alupay ti dagasan mi, kailangan masulit ang aming pag-uwi. Para marami kaming mapasyalan. Lalong-lalo na sa mga bata. Bye!
Behind the scene ng picture. Bye, tita.
We got memories in the making, every moment's ours for the taking. With love and laughter, hearts unfurling, our small town simple world. We got memories in the making, every moment's ours for the taking. With love and laughter, hearts unfurling, our small town simple world. Saturday mornings fishing by the creek. Gramps tells tales with a voice so meek. Sweet tea sipping on the old back lawn. Days seem short, but the love goes on. Football games on autumn afternoons, catching fireflies neath the harvest moon. We got memories in the making, every moment's ours for the taking. With love and laughter, hearts unfurling, our small town simple world. We got memories in the making, every moment's ours for the taking. With love and laughter, hearts unfurling, our small town simple world. Saturday mornings fishing by the creek. Gramps tells tales with a voice so meek. Sweet tea sipping on the old back lawn. Days seem short, but the love goes on. Football games on autumn afternoons, catching fireflies neath the harvest moon. We got memories in the making, every moment's ours for the taking. With love and laughter, hearts unfurling, our small town simple world. We got memories in the making, every moment's ours for the taking. With love and laughter, hearts unfurling, our small town simple world. Saturday mornings fishing by the creek.
Let's see the video.